In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change plans as a school group owner. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Skool. This helps you land on the official site even if you don't have the exact URL handy. On the results page, look for the official Skool domain and a secure connection indicator in the address bar. Avoid sponsored links or third-party pages that might look similar. Click the correct link to go to the Skool homepage. From there, sign in using your usual method. If you use single sign-on, choose that option. Otherwise, log in with your credentials. Keep your login information private and be mindful of any two-factor prompts you've enabled. Once you're in, head to your community. If you manage more than one, make sure you're opening the group where you want the plan changed. It's a good idea to double-check the group name and icon so you don't modify the wrong workspace, especially if multiple tabs are open. Inside your chosen community, look for the Settings area. This is typically represented by a gear icon or a settings label. As a group owner, you'll have access to administrative controls here. If you don't see what you need, confirm you're in the correct group and that you're signed in with the owner account. From Settings, navigate to Billing. This section shows your current subscription, billing cycle, upcoming invoice date, and sometimes seat or member-related limits depending on your plan. Take a moment to review this information so you understand what will change when you switch plans. Next, click Manage Subscription. This will open your billing portal in the same tab or a new one. In the portal, you'll usually see options to view invoices, update payment methods, and modify your plan. Verify you're still on a secure page before proceeding. Finally, choose Change Plan and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be able to select a different tier or switch between monthly and annual billing if available. Carefully review the pricing, any proration notes, and the next charge date. You may be asked to confirm changes or update your payment method if a card has expired. When you confirm, wait for a success message, then return to Skool and refresh the billing page to verify the new plan is active. It's helpful to note the new renewal date and save any confirmation you receive for your records. That's it. By following these steps, you can confidently adjust your Skool plan as a group owner without missing a beat.